Dongguan Zwayn New Energy Company Limited is a 12 years professional enterprise founded in 2011, specializing in energy storage, lithium iron phosphate for battery system R&D and manufacturing. Zwayn has 2 factories in Dongguan, China, covering more than 30,000 square meters. We have a professional BMS developing team, an R&D team of 100-plus engineers, and ISO-compliant manufacturing team with 800-plus employees. Our main product, 12 and 24 voltage lithium battery, 51.2 volt low voltage home energy storage battery, 192 and 384 volt high voltage lithium batteries, and 645 kilowatt-hour industrial and commercial energy storage system. We only use grade A battery cells from famous cells manufacturers like CATL, BYD, Eve Energy, and Goshen High-Tech. Our batteries are produced according to international safety standards and obtained TÜV CE IEC 62619 MSDS UN 38.3 certificate, 5 years warranty. Our monthly production capacity is over 31,000 lithium batteries, annual output more than 2,500 megawatt-hour, and our products have been sold to more than 30 countries and regions. By the end of May 2023, 6 gigawatt-hour energy storage systems have been delivered to global customers. Our company possesses a wide range of professional production equipment, including more than 200 units fully automated laser welding machines and automatic sorting machines. In addition, we have 30-plus aging testing equipment and handle more than 100 container loadings each month. We own a professional BMS development team and R&D team with 100-plus engineers, mechanical design team for OEM, ODM service. We are dedicated to independent research and design of Zwayn branded power and energy storage battery products. We are dedicated to providing customers with high quality, safe, reliable, and competitive price solutions and products. We have strict requirements for shipments, paying close attention to every detail. Each order undergoes thorough verification to ensure it meets customer specifications for quantity, quality, and specifications. Our efficient shipping process includes professional packaging and labeling, clearly indicating vital information like product name, specifications, quantity, and destination. We promptly process and dispatch orders while providing accurate estimated delivery date and real-time logistics tracking updates to our customers. We innovate and provide professional lithium battery solutions to our customers, aiming for reliable, safe, and smart energy storage solutions. Our goal is to become a globally influential brand in the lithium battery industry. We welcome collaborations worldwide to explore new business opportunities and achieve mutual success. Zwayn looks forward to partnering with you for mutual development and win-win cooperation.